Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you how I installed hazard light switch for a Suzuki Inazuma 2013. For some reason Suzuki don't give the bike one from factory. I think it should be like wise to have one just in case you break down on a dual carriageway or something, but yeah, I went through the hassle of installing one myself. So I used a 4-wire hazard light switch bought from eBay or AliExpress or wherever, right? Um, so the way these switches work is one wire is intended to take a live feed, which means 12 volts when the ignition's on, and the other two are switched, so when you press the button in it will send the live to those two wires. Those two are the ones that point or should go connect to the other two indicators, and the ground wire is optional for a light on the button. The switchgear electrical connector is located on the front left of the bike, behind the indicator panel. To find out which one's the correct one, remove one electrical block connector at a time and test the indicator, and if they're not working then you have the right one. So originally I wanted to try fixing this problem by buying a relay gadget where you can toggle the hazard lights on using the existing indicator switch. If you switch fast enough the left and right and then cancel, I think it was supposed to turn on, but it didn't work. I noticed the pin positions were quite different, or I think it was suited for the Asian market version of the Inazuma, so the UK one has a different pin layout. So you can test before splicing wires by connecting the contacts together with the switch. As you can see here, those are the 3 relevant pins basically that you need to install the switch. The ground here is only for the switch's backlight. It's optional, you don't really require it. These are the relevant pins on the male side of the electrical connector, just in case you couldn't see clearly in the other video clip. So here you can see the cable routing I used. I just followed the stock harness from the right handlebar. To splice into the wires I used a posi tap, and I used the ground ring terminal for the switch's ground, although I could have found a better spot for that. And this is with the cover back on. I probably should have spliced into the switchgear side of the wiring rather than the harness, so that was a bit dumb of me, but it's the first time I installed the switch, so I made a stupid mistake there, but here it is working. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching.